Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling a super important topic: how to transfer your Matic tokens from Bitmart to your Ledger Nano X in 2025. With crypto security more critical than ever, moving your assets to a hardware wallet like the Ledger Nano X is a smart move to protect against hacks and exchanges going south. This step-by-step guide will have you set up in no time, and I'll keep it simple and straightforward so you can follow along easily. First things first, make sure your Ledger Nano X is all set up. If you haven't already, install the Ledger Live app on your computer or phone, connect your device via USB, and open the Ethereum app on your Ledger since Matic runs on the Polygon network, which is compatible with it. Double-check that your Ledger is unlocked and ready to go. Next, head over to your Bitmart account. Log in securely, go to the Wallets or Assets section, and find your Matic balance. Now, navigate to the withdrawal page for Matic. You'll need to enter the wallet address from your Ledger, so let's get that. On Ledger Live, go to the Accounts tab, select your Ethereum account, since Matic uses this, and copy the address displayed. Pro tip: always verify the address on your Ledger screen to avoid any typos or scams. Back on Bitmart, paste that address into the withdrawal form. Make sure to select the Matic network, it's usually Polygon or ERC20. Enter the amount you want to transfer, but remember to leave enough for any network fees. Review everything carefully, then hit confirm. You'll get a confirmation email or text, so keep an eye out. Once the transaction is initiated, it might take a few minutes to a couple of hours to process, depending on network congestion. Head back to Ledger Live and refresh your account to see the Matic tokens appear. If everything checks out, congrats, you've successfully transferred your assets to a safer spot. A quick word of caution: always use official apps and double-check addresses to prevent losses. If you're new to this, start with a small amount. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next one.